Are you ready?
First time. Look at me, ready.
That's cringe.
That's great. No, yeah, let's hit it.
Okay, so this is our first time going on a helicopter ride. Well, not for me, but for these guys. Hey guys, introduce yourselves.
I'm Emilio. I'm Ivan. And we are the Emilio twins. The Martinez twins, guys. What's up, family?
Hey.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Hey.
look who's here. So the man, the legend, the pilot. This is Robin. Introduce yourself to the people.
What up, G?
This is their first time. What do you recommend?
Don't fall out of the helicopter because I'm gonna have to swoop down and catch it.
What do we get into?
Yo, man, high five. First. Sorry, bro. I'm a good person, bro.
So you want to go for a flight?
That was mean, right? That was mean. Let's go. Let's get some cool shots while we're on it.
Let's hit it.
Let's hit it. That's your word. That's not my word. My word is, let's go.
Damn, my AP gonna psycho. The mama better Michael. Could really trust nobody with all this jewelry on ya. My roof look got a no sugar. Diamonds by the boat.
Alright, so that's the baby right there. That's it. The guys are getting the tour right now. He has really cool stuff you can see. What do you mean it goes too high?
Too high.
You're literally gonna be up in the sky.
Yeah, so that's
Maybe
why.
they're scared because they tricked the pilot.
Sosa.
Dude, should we just go ahead and get in the helicopter?
Yeah, and let's
No.
hit it. I just pee. Sorry, man. It's just water.
Sure it is.
So, tad bit neutral. Gonna be scared. Robin, you got something in store for us?
Man, every one of my flights is that's in store.
This is gonna be f***ing epic.
Hey, no cursing, go boy, for you.
Well, okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're going! You're going! You're going! Bro. Look! No hands! No hands! No hands!
Wow.
Maybe you can't hear me!
Yo! We're gonna be back soon.
How do you feel? It's your first time?
Feeling great.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. Ain't gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good when I'm alone, yeah. Meet me in the studio, hey, hey. Daily self-discovery, yeah. Holiday.
You ready, guys?
Yeah.
You ready? Close the door when you get out. Are you ready? Bro. Let's get a photo. Let's get a photo. Okay, let's do this quick. So, en algún momento Emilio se tiene que decir algo y se va, ¿eh?
¿Cómo? Okay, what I have to do?
No, te corres, te grabas.
Yeah,
Ya tienes que...
in the plan.
Okay, pero espérense, ¿listos? Listo. Okay. Entonces tú dices que sí, como que te olvidó algo. ¡Oh!
Bro!
No, he's leaving, bro.
No, bro, no!
I'm confused. That was supposed to be like not happen. That was not supposed to happen. He left.
He's going to downtown again? Come on!
But why is he mad? I'm thirsty, bro.
Dude, I'm really thirsty.
Oh, don't touch it. You can get sick. And maybe that's poop. It looks like poop.
Where's Robin?
You guys want to know the truth? So what's supposed to happen is that we're initially planning to prank me and Emilio. We're gonna prank Ivan.
Oh yeah, we were about to prank you.
But you were gonna go back in there. You were gonna say,
Yeah, I was about to.
he's gonna say, hey, I forgot something.
And then I was about to fly with you. But
Yeah, and I was gonna be here with you.
I don't get
But
it.
he left. He did it by himself. I don't get it. Wait, do you have signal? Do you have phone signal? Oh my
No
god!
service. Mine is searching.
No service.
Why are you still recording? Like stop.
Because we gotta document everything. Okay. Yo, bro. How long has it been?
It's been a while, bro. Bro, it's been 20 minutes.
Like, this is all my fault, to be honest with you. Because I was trying to prank Ivan. I was trying to prank you.
Why?
Why not? It's fun to prank people. I really don't know, to be honest with you. I don't know what's going on. This is not part of the plan. Guys, I'm actually really confused.
You heard that?
He's coming back?
I think so. From where?
He's coming back. Yo!
He's right there, he's right there.
Yo! Yo! Yo!
Oh, please. He's there, he's...
Yo! Go! No entendí nada, yo. I no entendí nada.
He's a savage. I don't like that, bro. He's such a savage, bro.
I have no idea. You are scared now? Robin, that was good. That wasn't the plan, though. That was not the plan.
He's savage, bro. Bro, I thought I was coming.
Moral, never prank your pilot.
And never try to make a prank with a pilot, too. Oh my God! Yeah, baby. Hey, how do you feel? That's it, guys. You're done. You're done, guys.
Epic day. Epico. That was epico, bro.
So, folks, next time your pilot says high five him.
Yeah.
He's leaving again? He took your sister, bro.
He took our sister.
He's gonna leave them over there.
I hope so.
Say what? What?
I hope he takes them, bro. And leave them.
That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a really good Fetish helicopter ride, right?
Yeah. Don't come back! Don't come back! Bye! Take them!
Savage, right? Yeah. Savage. Savage. Savage.